Here's some stuff for the mini tech exam in first week back after the break. You have to play the major scale. We're going to do all of this in G just at the moment. The major scale in 1 octave. So second finger on G at the 3rd fret, pinky on A, 5th fret of the same string. Then back to the B note on the 2nd fret on the A string, C, 3rd fret, D, pinky finger up on the 5th fret, then move to the D string for the E note, 2nd fret, F sharp at the 4th fret and G at the 5th. That's the G major scale. You need to be able to play that. You also need to be able to just take the first note of those, the 3rd, the 5th and the 8th, and play that one after the other. That's the G major arpeggio, the G major triad. Okay. We also need to be able to play the G major pentatonic scale, which is the same as we've just looked at the G major scale, except you leave out the 4th note and the 7th. So play the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, leave out the 4th, just go to the 5th, the 6th, leave out the 7th, and there's the 8th. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8. 8, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. We also need to be able to play the natural minor scale and the minor pentatonic scale and the minor triad. So the way to do that in the easiest shape is first finger on the G note instead of the 2nd finger, the A note, then pinky to the B flat, then C, D, pinky on the E flat. So it's the same shape on each of those 2 strings. And first finger again to the ring finger there on the tonic. That's the G natural minor scale. If you want to play the G minor pentatonic scale, you take the 1st, the flat 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, the flat 7th and the 8th. So just 2 notes per string. G, B flat, C, D, F and G. And then the minor triad just leaves out the 4th. So 1, flat 3, 5 and 1. Leaves out the flat 7 too as well, doesn't it? 1, flat 3, 5, 8. That's everything in the key of G. Now, you need to be able to do that off, move that up around any note, so the same sort of thing off an A or a B. So just practice that in those shapes in other places. And you also need to be able to ultimately do it starting on the A string. So it's the same shape, just in at least this first octave across those. So try that again in the key of C at the 3rd fret, and that should make hopefully some sense. If you can just do it in 1 octave for when we do the test in week 9. Thanks a lot.